Hello, I'm Theo from Velomobiel.nl, and in this video I will show you how you can grease the front drum brakes of your Velomobile. The best way to do maintenance on the drum brakes is by removing the entire strut. This can be seen in another video. Once you've taken out the strut, you can clean it. If you have a compressor, you can use compressed air. If not, you can use an old toothbrush. Remove the dirt around the hinge. It is good to release the nut of the lever so you can get the grease in the hinge. With the screwdriver, you can push out the hinge. Apply some Teflon spray on the hinge. And move the lever. You can also apply a little bit oil on this bottom hinge. Make sure the oil does not get on the brake pads. If it does, like here, you remove it with some degreaser like acetone or brake cleaner. Yeah. The most important is to grease the key that is pushing out the brake pads, because there is an extreme force on this key. Remove the excess grease. Well, that's it for greasing the brakes. Also check that your brake cables are supple and not damaged. If they are, you have to replace them. Make sure you adjust your brake well so it immediately starts braking when you push the brake lever, so you have maximum brake power on your Velomobile. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Velomobile. Goodbye.